everyone, Sherry here. I'm here to do another unboxing. This unboxing comes from Lovecasa, and they sent me a set of 4 soup bowl plates. And I'll explain all of that in a little bit, but let's go check it out. One thing I love about Lovecasa is they package these so well. There's never any breakage in transit. I'm sure this one will be no different. As you can see, it's from Lovecasa, and it's a 4-piece soup plate. And as you can see, styrofoam, protected really well. Aren't these gorgeous? They are a beautiful color gray, which matches my utensil crock and my butter crock, so it'll be a perfect addition to my kitchen. They are square, and they have a little bit of a deepness to them, which is why they call them a soup plate. So with this design, they can be used as a bowl or a plate, pasta bowl, soup bowl, cereal bowl, salad plate, dinner plate. Very versatile. It has the Lovecasa stamped on the back, so again, you know it is the real deal. Let's measure this. So this is about 1 1/8 inch deep, which will be good for salads. And this is 8 1/4 inch wide. So it holds a lot of food. It's 32 ounces, but it's not real deep, so you can have it as a plate. Another nice feature, and one that I really like because I don't have very much room in my kitchen, they are stackable. And they stack really, really well. They won't take up much room in your cupboard at all. These are made from food grade ceramics. They do not absorb odors. They are lead-free. They are scratch resistant. You can put them in the dishwasher, in the refrigerator, in the microwave, and even the oven. I do suggest that you take it out of the refrigerator, you let it get up to room temperature before you put it in the oven or the microwave, as with any glass or ceramic. And they are a little bit thicker than the standard salad plate, and that also, along with the glaze and the smooth finish, helps prevent scratches. And because it is thicker, it'll be less likely to break, as with some of the other standard plates. These should last several years, and they should look just as good as they did when you buy them, because they will not fade. So if you want to stick around, I'll make something wonderful in the kitchen, and then I'll show you how beautiful the table setting can be. So there you have it, the Lovecasa soup plates, and I have a nice layout of air fryer salmon, coconut rice, salad, and a croissant dinner roll. I think these are beautiful, very functional, and you can use them again for salads or soups. Definitely go check them out. They are worth looking at. This is Sherry with Cooking with Sherry. Until next time.